closer to you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute. I've been gone for almost 6 months, but I want to tell you guys that I am finally back. I am back and it feels amazing. I love making these videos for you guys. I am finally consumer debt free. I paid over $12,000 in less than 6 months because I stopped stuffing these envelopes. I focus more on paying my debt than anything else. So that's how I paid off my debt. But anyways, guys, let's get started. So here I have my cash. Let's pull out the cash breakdown card. And originally we wanted to cash some 50s and 10s and 1s, but the bank was closed, so I had to use a regular ATM. So today we will be stuffing $835. Let's go ahead and count that and make sure we have all the cash. So we have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 800, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, $835. So we're going to put the 100 there, 20s and 5s. Next, we have our paycheck breakdown, and this is the newer version of the old one. The only thing I changed was the font, and then I added some extra line. So yeah, so here we have our variable expense daily use, and this is what we're going to stuff, followed by C, which is our sinking funds and future expenses. Bills will be stuffed next week. So let's go ahead and stuff this. All right. So kiddos is the first one, and kiddos is getting 20. We're going to do some 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Then Duncan, I'm not adding anything because my customers, my lovely customers, paid for my coffee. I have like maybe 2 weeks worth of coffee, so that's why I don't have to put anything in here. All right, so then spending is getting 65, and we're gonna do 20, 40, 60, 5, 65. MTA is not getting anything. This is public transportation. I already purchased a Metro card for the week. So ties is getting $200. So we're going to do 200s. $200. And then receipt stays there. All right. Next thing we are going to stuff is our sinking funds binder. I know, don't worry about this. I don't know how it got dirty, but whatever. And this is my setup right now. I have this bow and then this challenge from Judy Speaks Dinero. The bow is from pinkxbudgetz. And then I created these tabs. They're not laminated here, but anyways, let's get started. Let's get into it. Here I have my sinking funds, and this is what I will be stuffing every week or two. I don't know, we'll see. Then I have my monthly bills here. So month ahead is getting, I have this in here, I don't know why, maybe because it has a Bible verse, but month ahead is getting $100. And we're gonna do 2 of these. So we're in April, right? So I'm just gonna write April and April and just color this. It's April. This has 100. Next, oh wait, this dollar bill has to go in there. Kiddos is getting 25, and we're doing this challenge. This is the $1,000 challenge, and I always had these $2 bills. They're rare to like find here, so I kept them in their envelope. So we're gonna do 25. So we're just gonna cross it out or put a check. I'm gonna do a 20 and a 5. So kiddos has 20, 25, and if we want to add these, 27, 29, 31. Next, we have pet, and this is for my fur baby. And I had originally wrote that I want to save $100 every month for like his pet needs, like his food, his grooming, or whatever. And I divided that by 12. That means I have to put $9 in. But I don't have $9 since I couldn't cash the teller. So we're just going to add 10. And I'm just going to mark it so I don't make this video too long. And then afterwards, I will color it in. We're going to do 2 5s. That's 10. Next, we have emergency, and we do have $1,000 in the bank. So I do want to continue adding to this. This is for an emergency. You never know when it's going to happen and when you're going to need the fund, and $1,000 is not enough. So we're going to add $40, and that's 2 20s. So again, I'm going to mark it and then I'll color it in afterwards. So that has 40. All right, so next we have savings, and I did do a challenge for this. We have the $20 savings challenge. So every time I have a 20, I'll just stuff it in there. So we're going to do 20. So we're going to do a $20 bill. Next, we have student loans, and I do have to write this down. Eventually, I'm not going to be using this envelope because I am creating a specific box just for the student loans. That's going to total $35,000. So this is just for now. But the goal here is $1,250. I did divide that by 25. So each leaf will be 50. So we're going to add 50. We're going to grab 2 20s. And then 2 5. So we have 20, 40, 45, and 50. All right. Oh, wait. I need to mark this. Hello. And I need to fix this. Why is it like that? All right, next we have adventure. So adventure gets $40. Is it? Let me see, adventure 40. And I did color it in already. So we're just gonna add 2 20s. And I do need a tab, label for this tab. Birthday is getting 50. And like I mentioned in one of my live, what I did here was I counted to see how many people are in my family, and those are like basically like the people that I gift to for their birthday, and like a couple of friends of mine. So I did the math, and if I give every person $50, that means that I need to save $600. So each cake is for every person that I know. Listen, we're gonna be cheap here. We're on a budget, so don't laugh. So that's 20, 40, 45, and 50. So we're gonna just mark this. It's $50. Next, we have Christmas, and Christmas is getting 60, and my savings goal for Christmas is only $1,500. My husband and I decided that my kids will only get 3 gifts for Christmas from now on, not no 10, 15, 20 gifts. And the reason is because we're on a budget. Everybody's on a budget. And I honestly don't think that kids should get more than 3 gifts. And I'll explain why. And part of this, it should be like, if you gift a child something, it should be something they want, something they need, and something that will help them, right? Like a book or something. So my husband and I said, yeah, no, we're not gonna give them a whole bunch of gifts because then they don't use it. You buy them a bunch of gifts and they only use 1 or 2 toys. So you end up, they end up leaving all the other toys on the side, and that's a waste of money to me. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to get them 3 gifts each. They get something they really want, something they need, and then a book. So $1,500, each icon is $60. So we're going to do 60. And we're going to do 3 20s. All right. Next, we have back to school, and school is not over, but why not start it early, right? So back to school is getting 25. My goal is $400. I do have 2 boys, so it's basically for like the supplies and like some clothing. So I think $400 should be good. I did $300 last year, and it was just like the perfect amount. So each icon is 25 after we divide 400 into 16 icons. So we're going to do 25, a 20, and a 5. Next, we have almsgiving, and this is related to my church. And I decided to just save for $45, maybe every month or 2. And I divided it by 9, so that's $5 each icon. Do a 5. Wardrobe, this is clothing, so we're gonna do this challenge, and it's the mini $5 challenge. This is getting $40. Spring is here, summer is right around the corner, and we need clothes. So we're gonna do 40. So we're gonna do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and then 40. And we're gonna do 2 20s. And then that's about it. This is for my bills. I do have to make a label for it, but yeah. Now let's go ahead and get into our challenges. So the first challenge I have is my Fridays savings challenge. And we did do, we completed January and February. I need to still do March and then April. So for March, we still have 21 and 31. So we're going to do 24 plus 31. That's 55. So we're going to do, oh gosh, I have all 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So we're going to do 55, and we're going to pull out whatever it's in here. Let's see how much we have now. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 so far in March. So I did stuff January and February. So this is done. Now let's do April. Wow, look at that. So let's cross this out. We have 24 and 31. And then April gets $7, but we don't have change, so we're just going to put a 10 in. And we're just going to cross out 7 and put it back in here. And then I have one last challenge that I want to do. All right. And this is by designed by Coons, and you can follow her on Instagram. Look how cute. This is so adorable. It has a mini challenge card back here. So let's see. How much do I have? 5, 10, 15, 20. So we can do 20. 1, 2. Okay, let's do the 5. That's 10, and then a 10. Let's go ahead and put this back in. So we're gonna do a 5. 5 and then do another 5. And then 10. There we go. All right. And that's about it, you guys. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope to see you guys next week when I stuff my bills and maybe some of my sinking funds. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed and follow me on Instagram at SimpleShopz_. And if you guys are interested in any of these items, I do restock on these items once a month, and that's the first Monday of every month. So yeah, I will see you on my next video.